Okay, welcome back to Attain Renovations and Adventures. It's been a long time since we posted a video. It's been cold, hot, then we had a blast of snow, and then just trying to get organised to do things again. So today's video is just a little one just to show what we've been up to. We've done a lot of renovations, so I'll give you a quick video and talk through it. We've basically fixing the door up to the lower cantina. We're getting ready to render the back here and the side all the way up. So we're just waiting on scaffolding to arrive. We've tidied up everything around the back here. We've made like a little rockery garden here, going down to the tool shed. We're just preparing ourselves for the snow season. So as you can see from all the renovations, we've got a lot of rubble. That garden bed's going to be removed and we're going to put another one in. And hopefully I'm looking at maybe even doing a greenhouse. Upstairs, not much has changed. That wall we had to let sit to see how the render went. But we'll take you up there and you can have a look. And just apart from that, we've just done a massive cleanup of the cantina. You can see that's all the furniture from Australia. So we've covered that up at the moment. And we've just brought some of the sticks in, and we've been going around collecting a lot of sticks, and we're waiting on a couple more loads of timber of leña, which is wood for the fire. So as you can see, next job is to basically clear all this area out, because behind this little wall here, as you can see those lighter, more yellower bricks, see where my finger's pointing there, there's a little room in there. So I've got to literally demo all this out, find the lentil and open it up so we can put a toilet in there, because the plumbing runs down the side of the house. So we're going to have to get a sump and a pump to pump it upwards. Close off all those gaps. See those gaps under there? Because what it is this was an afterthought. This was just a terrazzo, so they've bricked it up. So I've got to get some expanding foam into those. And apart from that, tidy up the tool shed, get everything ready for winter. And that view today, isn't that sensational? So a lot of that is from the demo from the terrazzo, and also just removing it all from the garden beds. They've put a whole lot down. After Christmas, we're going to have a bulldozer come in, clear all this out, and down the back there we're going to put about a terrace of about with retaining walls of about 4 meters deep, and a lot of this can go underneath. So mission's accomplished today. Tool shed is a lot more organised, which makes me feel good now because I can come here. All I need to do tomorrow is put a lock on this door here and we're set.